Today, I'm going to be showing you the laziest way to make money online. I know you may be watching this video or have clicked because you've been looking for ways to make money online and none is working, or the method that you've tried, you're only making money that you cannot even buy a loaf of bread a day. Now, with this method, you will have to be consistent. You will have to show up every day. You can do this for only 10 minutes a day, but you will have to do this every day. You will have to show up. But in a day, you have 24 hours. You only need 10 minutes of your 24 hours for you to be able to run this business. You can do this passively. You can do this when you still have a 9 to 5. And the good thing about this business is that you can scale to any figure you want. You can scale this to a 7-figure business, to a 6-figure business. You can create as many accounts as you want. If you want to run this business in different categories, you can do this. You're going to be using TikTok. And with this method, you don't need to have a camera, you don't need to have a tripod, and you don't need to take videos of yourself. And I will show you how to do this. So the first thing that you're going to need is to find a company that you're going to be working with. And then you move into finding a category. And after finding a category, you can then look to set up your accounts. And after setting up your accounts, you drive traffic. And then you scale your business or you grow your business. So those are the only 5 things that you need to be able to scale this business. So the first thing that you're going to need is to create a TikTok account. What I like is that you first find content. You have enough content for you to post, and then you create your TikTok account, and same day you post your videos, and this way you're going to be able to take off your business immediately. Now, you may have come to TikTok and see videos like this one over here. So let me just click on this. I'm just going to mute the sounds for copyright reasons. So this is the video that's playing. It's just a beach or an ocean, and then there is motivational words playing on this video. Now, this can be messages like daily motivations, entrepreneurship motivations, and maybe for somebody, for love, relationship, it can be about dating, it can be about spiritual, your faith, it can be Bible verses, it can be gospel songs. You can choose whatever you want to do with. So that's gonna be your category. So you can choose any category you want, whether you want to talk about faith, whether you want to talk about love, dating, just want to motivate people who are down on that day, people who are going through a lot and feel like the world has come to an end. There's nothing that can be done with their lives and they have given up. You can have videos to encourage them, videos to motivate them that it's not the end of the world. Get up, dust yourself off, and then start working on yourself. So those are the videos that you're going to be creating. Choose any niche of what I'm talking about and make it your own niche. Let me show you more videos so that you get an idea of what I'm talking about. This is another video over here. Don't be a parrot in life, be an eagle. A parrot talks too much but can't fly high, but an eagle is silent and has the power to touch the sky. Listen to that. If maybe you are thinking of just talking about everything in your life, maybe you can change and then just do your things silently, and you see how your life changes for the better. So these are the videos that you're going to be doing. You're going to be changing lives when you're doing videos like this. So this is motivational, but this is showing people's faces. Now there is this one over here. It's just a lake and then some palm trees nearby, and then there is this message about everybody has been going through something. That's what we are looking for. Look at this, just showing a bridge, and then there is a message that's playing over here. So you can choose also your theme, the colors that you want to play on your videos like this one. Now, how do you create this content? Where do you get videos like this? Where do you get these words and the sound? So like I said, I have muted the sound, but I will show you how to get the sound. So I'm gonna go to Canva. Now when you go to Canva, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below or in the pinned comment. Now what you're gonna do, you go to the Canva link in the description box, and then you click on it, you sign up, and then you will, after signing up, you will land on this page or this home page, and this is where you can come over here and search for TikTok video. With me over here already is suggested because it's these are the things that I always use. So I'm gonna click on the TikTok video, and then it's gonna take me to this page that has already a portrait video or size for my TikTok. I don't need to alter anything. Everything is ready and prepared for me. Now what I'm gonna do over here is to come to videos. I may have said about this already, as you can see over here. Now what you can do when you come over here to search, you can choose to do maybe ocean videos, waterfall videos. I'm choosing ocean waves. And when I come over here, you can see that there are crowns over here. This is the pro version, paid version. And you can see this one doesn't have a crown, meaning that this is a free version, meaning you can have Canva without paying for it, and then you are able to still create this content. Now what I'm gonna do over here is you can also choose to filter out. So you can choose that you want to see only the free videos. And there you go, you click over here. So any of these videos can do. This is landscape, as you can see. I'm just gonna click on it, and then when I click on it, it's gonna appear over here. When I click on it, I can just choose to right click it and then choose set video as a background. Now that's a portrait. After doing that, the size of a TikTok video, I want only videos that's gonna play maybe 5 seconds, maximum 9 seconds. So what I'm gonna do, this video is 16 seconds long. So what I'm gonna do is just maybe resize it maybe to 7 seconds, and I'm done with my first video. I'm gonna come over here to share at my top right corner, and then click download, and then choose over here. It's already an MP4, so I'm gonna choose to download this as a video. It's an MP4 I download. And then when I click download over here, it's gonna save in my computer. Then I can share it to my phone so that I can then upload on TikTok. So I have already created the first video, and I'm looking for the second video. I'm just gonna delete this so that we work in this same page. So I had this video. Let's try this one over here. It's a 30-second long video. Right click, set video as background, reduce the seconds to maybe 7 seconds again. Let's play it, and then you are about to see how this video is gonna look to your audience. Look how beautiful that is. This is your second video. Already we have our second video in a few seconds. Download as an MP4, save to your computer. Second video. Look for another one. Let's just delete this one. Let's look for this one over here. It looks like these waves are very dramatic over here. Let's just reduce the time, and then look at that. So that's so beautiful. The text can be black over there because this is white. If it's too dark, you put the white text. Now you have your videos. What do? You're gonna come over here. Look at this. This video has a sound that's playing. This is the sound of somebody. It can be a song that you find on TikTok, which can be a trending sound, or it can be a voice of somebody who is saying these words. How do you find a person saying this word? You just come over here, like this person over here. They are talking about these words that are playing over here. Let me just scroll to the top, like this video over here. He is talking about the law of attraction, and everything that he's talking about, the text is playing. So when you come to TikTok, when you use your cell phone, I'm just going to be showing you on the sides how you do that, because now I am using a desktop and it won't be able to show. When you go to your phone, you're going to come over here to sound and click sound and save or use as audio, and already you got the sound of the person over here talking. Now after getting the sound, when you are about to upload, you're gonna come back and take these videos that you have already, you saved them in your phone, you upload using that sound and this video, and then you write the text. TikTok is gonna give you an option to click on text, and then you add the text. Then the text, you just put what the person or the subtitles of what's being said on that video, and then you have your first video. Then you can create as many videos as you want, but a minimum of 4 a day, and you just have to try this for 30 days and see how many followers you have. So this is how you create the content. Now you have the content. What's the next step? Now you have your content ready, you have your video from Canva, you found the sound you want to use on TikTok, you put in the subtitles of what's being said on that video. Now how do you make money with that? So you're going to look for company or companies or products to promote or to work for. Now you're going to come to, you can choose any of these companies. I'm using Digistore 24 today. There is companies like ClickBank, there is CJ Affiliate, and all these companies, they have products that you can promote. But today let's work with Digistore. It's going to depend on the country you're at if these companies are allowed. Now looking at Digistore 24, you're going to come over here to Marketplace, and when you come to Marketplace, you have all these options over here. These are the products that you can promote. Now on your videos, on your TikTok videos, if you're talking about faith or spirituality, you have to find products that are in line with that. If you are talking about love, relationships, and dating, maybe you're doing quotes about love, you have to sell products about love because your audience really like your content and they are more likely to buy the products that you are selling or promoting. So I'm going to come over here and search for the products that I'm promoting. If I'm talking about faith, spirituality, I can sell Bibles, I can sell prayer journals, and I'm going to come over here maybe to spirituality. And also let me look for some of the things. If I'm talking about health and fitness, I'm going to come over here to fitness. If I am talking about survival, like motivation about how to survive, get up and work, it's going to be about survival. If I'm talking about entrepreneurship, I'm going to come over here to business and investment because I know those people like entrepreneurship. They are more likely to buy books about businesses or any product about business. Now let's choose dating, love, and relationships. So I'm gonna choose a product like this. I'm just gonna click on this and there will be a lot of products over here. If I click promote now on this, it's gonna give me an affiliate link. Now these links, you don't want to put them directly on TikTok because you want to promote a lot of products and you only have to put one link on TikTok. So you first have to find a company that's gonna put all your links, and then you have only one link, and then your audience choose which link or which product they want to buy. Now when you look at this product, it only has 3-star rating. So this is not a product you want to sell. You want to sell product that you know your audience is going to rave about, your audience is going to really like and be happy about the product that they got. Now you can look at things like how much you're going to get for commission. So your earnings are going to be around $27.29, meaning that if one person purchases this book or this product, you will get $27 so per product. So if you get 10 people a day who are buying, that's $270, almost 4,000 rands a day in South Africa. Now looking at these products, also you're going to look at these things like this, like the rating. So let me scroll down until I find a product that this is better over here because it's almost 4 over here. It's better, but it's not good. This one over here is the best. So this is the best product over here. Now looking at, I've already clicked here and then it gave me the link. So I was playing around over here. Now I also clicked here when I was talking. So it gave me all the links. So what we're going to do for us to be able to get a link, let me show you the one that I haven't clicked on. It's going to be something like this. So it says promote now. You're just going to click on promote now. And when you choose promote now, it leaves a link. There is the link over here. And this is the link I'm going to choose to put in this company so that it shows all my links. I will show you how to do that just now. Let's go back to page 1 and choose the product that has a bigger or that has a popularity, which is this one over here. So this is the product I want to promote. I will still choose many products, so I can choose 10 products, 20 products, 100 products. It doesn't matter how many products I want to promote. So I'm choosing this link over here. Then I'm just gonna come over here and copy the link. So my link is copied to my clipboard. So when I come over here, already my link is copied to my clipboard. So I have this link over here. Now where do I put all these links? I'm gonna look for companies like this one, direct.me or Linktree. These are the companies that you can put all the links that you're promoting, and this company direct.me will give me only one link. This is the link that people are gonna click on, and then they can choose the product they want in a list. So you can create a free page. For you to create a free page, you just click here on create a free page, and then you create your account. Doesn't need a lot of things, only your email, or you sign up with Facebook, Google, or Apple, and then you are then good to go. So I'm just gonna log in, and then I show you how to do this. And now I have logged in into my page. So what you need to do is come over here and add a new item. When you are a beginner, you will also choose the theme that you want, and this is my theme over here, and these are my links. So I'm just gonna come over here and add a new item. When I add a new item, already we know that I got a link from Digistore24. So I'm gonna choose link or URL, and I'm gonna come over here and paste that link that I got from Digistore. So I'm just gonna paste it over here, and there we go. So now I have my first link. Now I can also choose the visibility, meaning that the product that I am selling is gonna show where it's from. So this is gonna be the product over here, or I choose not to show visibility. So what I can do over here, I can play around with the visibility button, whether I want it to show or not. And then I add. When I add, I have my first link. I go back to Digistore, look for the second product, come back to direct.me, add another link. So I can have 10 links, 20 links, or 30 links. So I will choose to add if I want to, but now I don't want to add. So I'm coming back over here. I will add all of them over here, and I will have all my links in one. Then I will be able to take the link that I get here from direct.me and paste it over there by TikTok. So now I have my product, I have my content, I have the links to promote, and I have created my TikTok account. Now what's left for me is to go back to Canva every day, create or bulk create. When you bulk create, it means you can create 50 videos a day, and you create 10, 10, 10, 10. And if for 5 days, you have content for 5 days if you are choosing to post 10 videos a day, because you are not limited to how many videos you post. You can post as many videos as you want. And with TikTok, you first have to have 1,000 followers for you to be able to put in these links. So the first day, you can post 10 videos, because the more you post, the more you are getting exposure. So you can post as many videos as you want, and then people are going to be following you. It's going to give you the chance to be able to put in those links. And that's how you create your TikTok account, and you start making money from this. You're not going to be making money overnight. You first have to find people that are going to be clicking on your links. Now you have your loyal customers who can see that you are posting, and the content that you're posting, they really like it. And that's how you easily start your business using TikTok without showing your face. Thank you so much. If I've left anything out, just comment down below, and I will try to explain it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching up to here. See you in the next video. Cheers.